No, Tonka. Tonka, no! Oh. Tonka, you are a mess. Pony, get up! Did you fall down? Can you get back up? Come on, Pony. Get up! Are you tired? Jump, Pony, jump! Jump, Pony! What is Tonka doing? Is him swimming without you? Say, that's so mean, Tonka. Say, that's not very nice. Well, he's just swimming too. You're not even getting on your sun shelf. What in the world? You needed a good swim, huh? Keep the water out of your ears since you got an ear infection. Heard. What are you doing, Pony? I'm filling up the pool more. There's not enough water in there. Uncle, what are you doing? You're so silly. Why aren't you getting on your sun shelf? You just want to swim? Yeah, there you go. Water in yours. That's just awesome. Oh, my word. Tonka, get up here. Come on. There you go. Good boy. Come on. There you go. Pony. Pony says, I'm going to get you, Tonka. Get him, Pony. Get him, Pony. Pony's going to get you, Tonka. Pony, don't get stuck in there. Pepe's back's hurt. I can't get you out. So don't try jumping in. Ooh, Tonka's going to go swim some more. You two are a mess. Oh my word, Tonka, you're getting filthy. Are you getting back in now to rinse all that dirt off of you? Come on. That's one way to do it.